feel like you've tried everything on TikTok but you just can't grow your page? Well, in this video I'll show you a growth strategy that gurus are gatekeeping and can generate you 15 million views in one day. And I'll tell you how you can make money with it. And no, it's not use the right hashtags. This strategy actually works. So let's go. So I'm pretty sure that you know that everyone is talking about making long videos as long as you can, and people are posting 2 and 3 minute videos trying to get advantage of the creator rewards program, which is the old creativity program. But they're missing out on a very specific feature which makes TikTok pages go viral, and I have plenty of examples to give you. And that feature is TikTok photos. And before you start doubting, TikTok itself promotes TikTok photos by giving you a notification in your app which says that photo posts can get 2.9 times more comments, which means on average that TikTok photos are performing at least twice or 3 times better than TikTok videos. And on top of all that, you can monetize these pages and make them completely faceless, and these posts will take you much less time to create. And we are just scratching the surface. I will show you exactly what the strategy is using the TikTok photos. I'll give you case studies you can copy and tell you how you can make money with it. So make sure you stick around. So now let's talk about the strategy. This strategy can be used in any niche. Even if you want to create educational videos, business videos, entertainment videos, fashion videos, it can be implemented in any niche. One video that went extremely viral is about a Parisian love story. It is a somewhat personal page, but it's a great study of using photos to tell an extremely captivating story. So first of all, this post has an extremely good hook. And you know it's good because just by reading it, you want to know more about it. If you want to learn more about hooks, I have a free product with 80+ hooks and some explanations in it. You can check it out in the description below. And the story is progressing in a really interesting way. It has one sentence in each photo, and photos which seem as if you are in the story, almost like you're watching a movie. And each sentence ends in a cliffhanger, which makes you want to read the next. Think of each slide as if it was an episode of a TV show, and the ending is also a cliffhanger which baits the viewer or the reader to follow so that they can keep up with the story. A masterclass of marketing, and you can easily implement it in your content, even if you're making regular videos and not photo posts. Another great case study is your historical teacher, which shows that you can really do this in any niche. And if you're thinking how you can make money from this, I'm gonna show you exactly how in a little bit. So what you will basically need is a good idea and a story which is the base, the foundation of our viral video or viral post. Then you need a good hook, which when people read it will make them think, oh, ooh. Then you need the secondary hook, which is a reason for people to keep reading. Let's say these are the mini cliffhangers that the first post had. And then you would need another cliffhanger, the final cliffhanger, if it's possible to include that of course, so that people follow you in order to learn more and keep up with the story. Also, the other trick and the reason that these posts are going viral is because people are spending time reading the story and they are spending time on your post. And TikTok loves that because it's basically like watch time. So people spend more time on TikTok because of you and because of your post, so TikTok pushes it more to the algorithm, I mean to the For You page of many users. And now I'll show you 2 ways you can use to print money with this strategy. So one way to make money is by going viral with the photos and then driving that traffic by uploading a video over 1 minute long, and that traffic that just saw your photo post goes and visits your profile, sees that you uploaded a video, clicks on the video, watches like half of the video, and you make money, even if they don't watch the whole thing. And the second great way to make money with this strategy is the TikTok shop affiliate, or clickbank affiliate if you don't have the TikTok shop. So when you tell a story with your photos, you should talk about a problem that you had and how this affiliate product helped you solve it. For example, if you're making self-improvement videos, there is a viral product, affiliate product, that is called Shadow Work Journal. I'm not gonna go into how that product works, but let's say it helps you heal, meditate, and become a better version of yourself. So after you tell a story about therapy or something similar to that, at the end you can also plug in that product. And believe me, when people see something valuable being shared that could fix their problem like it did for you, they will definitely try that product, and you'll make money. Now that you watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, because the algorithm believes that you're gonna love it. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.